The future isn't near. It's crashing through the front door. 2025 is set to deliver technologies once thought impossible. Printed human organs, AI-powered scientists, and clean energy from fusion reactors. But every leap forward comes with a twist. From ethical dilemmas to global security threats, in this video, we're counting down 10 breakthroughs that could define the next decade or change humanity forever. Ready? Let's begin. 1. Bioprinted organs. Printing life itself. Imagine printing a human kidney the way you print a document. Bioprinting uses advanced 3D printing and a patient's own cells to create living tissue, potentially eliminating transplant waitlists and rejection issues. Over 100,000 people in the US alone are waiting for an organ. This technology could save countless lives, but printing complex organs like hearts and livers, complete with vascular networks, is still a massive technical hurdle. And once it becomes viable, will only the rich have access? Bioprinting could be a miracle, or a new kind of inequality. Its future depends on smart regulation and ethical oversight. 2. Quantum computing. The next level of intelligence. In 2025, quantum computers will begin solving problems that today's supercomputers couldn't touch. From drug discovery to global logistics, they'll process possibilities at speeds we can barely imagine, but that power comes with risk. Quantum computers could easily break today's encryption, putting global cybersecurity at stake. The race is on, not just to build quantum systems, but to secure the world against them. 3. AI as a scientific partner. By 2025, AI won't just answer questions, it will help ask new ones. AI is already discovering new materials, writing music, and even co-authoring scientific papers. It's becoming a creative partner, one that never sleeps, never tires, and sometimes sees what humans can't. But with growing power comes greater scrutiny. AI's black box nature makes it hard to trust, especially in fields like healthcare or justice, where bias or errors can be life-altering. 4. Fusion energy, power from the stars. Fusion, the process that powers the sun, is closer than ever to becoming a reality on Earth. In 2025, small-scale fusion reactors could debut, delivering nearly limitless clean energy with no carbon and almost no waste. But creating and controlling star-level temperatures is an engineering challenge unlike any other. Still, if we succeed, fusion could forever change the global energy landscape and our fight against climate change. 5. Carbon capture, reversing climate change. What if we could not only stop emissions, but pull carbon out of the air? Carbon capture tech, from microscopic CO2-eating microbes to massive industrial filters, is becoming a critical part of our climate strategy. But these systems are energy-intensive, expensive, and often untested at scale. Used improperly, they could do more harm than good. If we get it right, though, this technology could help buy us time and clean the mess we've already made. 6. Augmented reality goes mainstream. Forget gaming, AR is about to change how we interact with the world. By 2025, augmented reality glasses could guide your commute, translate languages, live, or even assist during surgeries and construction. But there's a catch. AR devices gather an enormous amount of data. Who owns that data? Who has access to what you see? AR will blur the lines between digital and physical, and force us to rethink privacy again. 7. Synthetic biology, rewriting life. What if we could design organisms from scratch? Ones that clean up oil spills, eat plastic, or survive extreme drought? Synthetic biology is doing exactly that. By 2025, scientists could engineer life itself to solve problems in agriculture, medicine, and the environment. But gene-editing life comes with deep risks. What happens if synthetic organisms escape into ecosystems or are weaponized? Like fire, this tool could warm or destroy depending on how it's used. Internet from the sky, millions still lack internet access, but HAPS could change that. The fact that many space agencies are using telescopic drones and balloons act as floating cell towers, delivering connectivity to remote and disaster-struck areas. By 2025, HAPS could close the digital divide for much of the world, but keeping them aloft and safe and navigating international airspace laws is no small task. It's a bold leap toward a more connected world if we can make it work. 9. Privacy-enhancing technologies. As data becomes the new oil, privacy becomes a new battleground. Like homomorphic encryption and federated learning, let us analyze sensitive data without actually exposing it. And think, secure medical research without compromising patient privacy. But these systems are heavy, slow, and difficult to implement. If we can scale them, they could reshape everything from banking to healthcare. 10. Space manufacturing. Building in orbit. By 2025, we'll stop shipping everything from Earth. Space factories will begin producing materials in microgravity, from pure fiber optics to advanced pharmaceuticals and metal alloys. These breakthroughs could boost industries on Earth and make long-term space missions more practical. But manufacturing in orbit brings huge costs, engineering risks, and potential danger from space debris. Still, it's happening, and it's unlocking an entire economy above the clouds. The year 2025 isn't just another chapter in technological progress, it's a turning point. Each of these breakthroughs holds the power to solve the unsolvable or create new challenges we never imagined. The future is fast, fascinating, and fragile. The question isn't whether these innovations will change the world, it's how we choose to guide them. So what excites you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to watch the recommended video that just popped up on your screen. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future.